Hello and welcome back to Prax Art Gallery. I hope you all are doing good. Today is day 11 and I am going to draw a sphere. So to draw a sphere, I am going to use multiple graded pencil. One is 6B, 4B, 2B, B and a 5H. To blend the shading, I will be using this makeup brush. It is a simple makeup brush which is easily available in the market. And I am using this circle toy and I am using this to draw a circle. So let's get started. So to start with the shading, I am using a 5H pencil and I am giving strokes in one direction, and then I will be using the darker pencil to provide a darker shade. So I'm using 5H pencil to shade the lighter area of the sphere. So now I'll be using 4B pencil to darken the corner area, which is the darkest part of the sphere, and then further I'll be shading it to provide a little darker shade here. I have forgotten to mention about this particular brush. This is also a simple makeup brush. For shadow outlining, I am again using the 5H pencil, and after giving the base layer shading, I'll be using the higher grade pencil to shade the shadow. Thanks for watching. I hope you have liked my video. So in case if you want to know more about the shading or step-by-step process, you can check out my video of how to shade an apple. Thank you once again. Take care. Bye bye.